有意思。
有意思
means interesting or fun, meaningful, depending on context. Break down,
有
have,
意思
meaning, sense, interest. So literally has meaning, main meanings. Interesting.
这个电影很有意思，
This movie is very interesting, fun, amusing.
它很有意思。
He is fun, interesting as a person, worth thinking about.
这个问题很有意思。
This question is thought-provoking. Tone and feeling, neutral, positive, common, and casual speech. Very natural complement for things, ideas, or people. Memory trick
有
equals has
意思。
meaning, has meaning equals not boring.
好啦好啦，
好了，
A very common Chinese phrase, and its meaning depends on context. Core meaning, okay, done, all right, that's enough. It's basically used when something is finished or settled. Done, finished.
我好了，
I'm done, I'm ready now. Okay, that's enough. Used when stopping something.
好了，别说了。
Okay, stop talking. Everything is fine now. 好了，没事了. It's okay now, everything is fine. Important idea,
好
good
了，
equals change, completion. So 好了 equals it has become good, settled now. 好了 equals problem solved, situation fixed. Button. Quick summary. Done, okay, enough, all good now.